Hello and welcome. This is a listening practice activity. Listen to the recording, read the questions in the description box, write down your answers. You can play the recording again if you need to check. See the correct answers at the end of the video. How to make a holiday turkey. Cooking a holiday turkey is a big job, but it can also be a lot of fun. Whether it's Thanksgiving or Christmas, all you need is a good recipe, some simple tools, and a little holiday magic. First, find a turkey that fits in your oven. Yes, really, check the size. If it's frozen, put it in the fridge for 2 or 3 days to defrost. A frozen turkey in the oven is a recipe for disaster. You will need a few things: a large roasting pan, a mixing bowl, a wooden spoon, a basting brush, foil, and of course a sharp knife for carving later. Now, pat the turkey dry with paper towels and rub it with soft butter. Use your hands or a spoon if you don't want buttery fingers. Sprinkle salt, pepper, and herbs like thyme, rosemary, or sage. You can put lemon halves and garlic cloves inside the turkey for extra flavor. Next, prepare the stuffing in your mixing bowl. Mix bread cubes, chopped onion, celery, melted butter, and herbs. Fill the turkey gently with the stuffing, or bake it separately in another pan if you want it crispy. Place your turkey in the roasting pan, cover it with foil, and put it in the oven about 180 degrees Celsius for 3 or 4 hours, depending on its size. Every 30 minutes, open the oven and baste the turkey with melted butter or its own juices, using your brush or a ladle. When it's golden brown and smells amazing, take it out carefully with oven gloves. Let it rest and then slice it beautifully. Congratulations! You have just become the holiday hero.